view new homes, make sure you smash that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to never miss new awesome homes like these.
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to 187 Grove Street, a true gem in the heart of Bangor. As we step into this gorgeously maintained home, you'll immediately appreciate the charm and character that radiate from every corner. First, let's explore the inviting first floor, a spacious and light-filled area that seamlessly combines modern elegance with classic charm. The original woodwork, granite countertops, and beautiful wood floors create a warm and welcoming atmosphere. The open layout includes an expansive eat-in kitchen, perfect for culinary enthusiasts, a dining room that sets the stage for memorable gatherings, a comfortable living room, and a versatile den for your convenience. There's a first-floor bathroom and laundry hookup, making first-floor living a breeze if desired. Imagine the ease and comfort of having everything you need right at your fingertips. Venturing upstairs, you'll find 3+ bedrooms, each offering its own unique charm. The large bathroom is a sanctuary in itself, and there's even a balcony where you can unwind and enjoy the fresh air. This home, once a two-family residence, sparks curiosity about its future possibilities. The canvas is yours to paint. Envision a massive primary ensuite, a second kitchen for culinary adventures, or perhaps an art studio complete with running water. The potential is limitless, and the choice is yours. As we step outside, the well-groomed yard provides a private oasis for relaxation and entertainment. Picture yourself enjoying the outdoors in the attached 3-season porch. Whether you're hosting gatherings, storing sports equipment, or simply unwinding after a long day, parking is a breeze with the detached one-car garage, offering ample space for your vehicle or additional storage. This property's prime location on Grove Street is truly unbeatable, within walking distance of schools, parks, hospitals, shopping, and more. The $249,000 price tag makes this home an exceptional opportunity to own a piece of Bangor's history and make it your own. So, whether you're envisioning a classic residence or dreaming up your unique touches, 187 Grove Street is ready to welcome you home. Don't miss the chance to explore the endless possibilities this property holds. Come and experience the charm and potential that await you in this Bangor beauty.